Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to migrate your account from Klaviyo to Omnisend. We'll cover how to transfer your contacts and their data into Omnisend, how to import your segments, and how to replicate your automation workflows with just a few clicks. I get it, switching to a new platform can be stressful, but we got you. At Omnisend, our customer support team is available 24/7, and they'll be happy to help you out with any of your migration questions. So let's begin. The first step is to create your Omnisend account. Go into omnisend.com, click Start Free. You can use your Shopify account. You can also use your Google account if you're using any other platform. And then you can use your email address as well. Simply follow the steps on your new account. Once you complete your registration, you will be prompted to connect your store. Simply follow the steps on your account. And if you need any help, you can always contact our 24/7 customer support. It's as simple as dropping a message in a chat box. Once your store is connected to Omnisend, now is the time to migrate your contacts and their data from Klaviyo. And our team has built a tool that allows you to do just that. Here are the main data points that get synced: your contact's email address, phone number, email and SMS opt-in and opt-out date, first name, last name, address, city, country, and the custom properties that had been created. To connect the Klaviyo data import tool, from the Omnisend dashboard, go to the Audience tab. Click Contacts, Add or Update Contacts, and then select Import Contacts from Klaviyo. Then you'll be prompted to enter Klaviyo API key, and this is how to create it. Go to your Klaviyo account, click on your store name, go to the Setting tab, click on API keys, click Create Private API key, give full access to the key you're creating and name it. Once you've named it, click Create, then click Copy Key. Now go back to your Omnisend account and paste the API key you just created in Klaviyo. Click Connect and follow the next steps. Once the sync is completed, you'll see a brief of what has been imported. You can easily access your audience list from the Omnisend dashboard. Remember, if you need any help with this step, our customer support is available 24/7. You can contact them directly from your Omnisend account. Since the information you can export from Klaviyo is limited, it would be beneficial to migrate some of your segments to Omnisend so you don't have to start from scratch. Here are the segments we would recommend transferring: engaged contacts and VIP customers, SMS subscribers, inactive contacts, and any other segments you frequently use. To migrate a specific segment from Klaviyo, go to your Klaviyo account's Lists and Segments section. Choose the segment you want to migrate. Click on Manage Segment. Click Export Segment to CSV. Choose all the properties you want to migrate from Klaviyo to Omnisend. In this case, you'll only need to select email because all the other properties were already migrated by the Klaviyo data import tool. Click Start Export. Once the export file is generated, access it by going to Manage Segment, then View My Exports, and click Download. Now let's go back to your Omnisend account. Go to Audience, Contacts, Add Contacts, Import Contacts from a file. Now select the file you just downloaded. Click Continue to Mapping. The email address will be mapped automatically, so you just need to continue to organize. Now you can create a segment, create custom name, enter the segment's name that you had in Klaviyo. In this case, we're gonna name it Open in the Last 100 Days. Now click Continue to Subscribe, Continue to Finalize, and then click Update Contacts Properties Only. Continue to review, make sure it all looks okay, and click Finish Import. That's it. You'll see all the contacts that are in your current version of the Klaviyo segment. So now you can continue sending your campaigns to the same contacts as before. Just make sure you switch to using Omnisend segments after it has collected enough engagement and other data. To continue growing those important segments, you'll need to recreate the same segment logic in Omnisend. Let me show you how. Go into your audience, go into segments, create segment, select active email subscribers, match the time framework that we selected in Klaviyo, so make it 100 days, save and show contacts, name your segment, click Save, and that's it, that's done. You can also easily recreate the other segments you have in Klaviyo. Go into Audience, Segments, Create Segment, Create from scratch. And don't forget to check out our pre-built segment library to save time and make the most out of your audience list. Now that we have our key segments in place, let's talk about the email automation flows. Although there is no way to export and import existing workflows from Klaviyo, you can easily recreate them with Omnisend workflow templates. You can find them in your automation library, and all templates are designed using email marketing best practices. Each pre-built workflow can be easily customized with additional messages, splits, and strategic triggers. Go into Automation. Now click Create Workflow. Select your starting point, click Customize. On the left-hand side, you can add messages like email, so simply drag and drop it. You can add delays there as well, or even split your workflow. You can edit your email content on the right-hand side. And if you want to create a workflow from scratch, go to your automations, click Create Workflow, Create from Scratch, and use the same drag and drop method. Next, let's talk about email campaign templates. I encourage you to check out our email template library, which is being constantly updated with new seasonal designs. By choosing to design your emails directly in Omnisend, you will ensure that you have a responsive and well-working setup for all your emails. If you still choose to transfer your email templates from Klaviyo, there are two options. You can import HTML codes of your email templates and use them for both email campaigns and automation workflows. Or you can add a custom HTML content block within the email builder in Omnisend. You can find more information on this in our knowledge base or simply contact our 24/7 customer support team. Now that you have transferred your contacts to Omnisend and set up your automations, make sure your forms are collecting subscribers and you're all set up. Again, if at any point you need any help, contact our customer support team or check out our dedicated articles online.